Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I want to introduce you to a platform that allows everyone to earn passive income, and that platform is Redbubble. In this video, I will take you on a deep dive into what Redbubble is, share its pros and cons, and walk you through the process of using it. If you're interested in creating passive income with zero cost, then you definitely don't want to miss this episode. So let's get started. First of all, you might be wondering, what is Redbubble? Redbubble is a POD platform. And what is POD? POD stands for Print on Demand, which is a business model where products are printed and produced based on customer demand, rather than in bulk. This eliminates the need for large-scale production and allows for printing according to specific customer orders. It reduces inventory costs and risks while improving production efficiency and customer satisfaction. The operation of Redbubble is quite simple. As a creator, you can design and upload your artwork, such as illustrations, graphic designs, and photographs on Redbubble. You can apply these designs to various products, including t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, posters, and more. When someone purchases a product with your design, Redbubble takes care of production and shipping, and you receive a portion of the product's sale price as a commission. There are several advantages to using Redbubble. Firstly, you don't need to have any inventory or worry about production and shipping logistics because Redbubble handles those aspects for you. You can focus solely on creating and designing, sharing your artwork with the world. Secondly, Redbubble provides a global marketplace where your creations can be seen and purchased by users worldwide, expanding your sales opportunities. Additionally, Redbubble offers convenient design tools and an order tracking system, making it easy for you to manage your artwork and sales. Of course, Redbubble also has some drawbacks. Firstly, there's intense competition. Since Redbubble is an open platform, many creators showcase and sell their artwork here. So you'll need to put in effort to make your work stand out. Secondly, the profits may be inconsistent. Your earnings are based on a percentage of the product's sale price, so your profit depends on your pricing and sales volume. Lastly, copyright protection can be an issue. Sometimes, people may infringe on your design copyrights, and you need to remain vigilant and take appropriate actions promptly. If you're interested in starting to earn passive income on Redbubble, the process is quite straightforward. First, you need to create an account on Redbubble, which is free. Then, upload your artwork and apply it to different products. Next, set your pricing, based on the profit you want to make and market prices. Finally, promote and share your creations, attracting potential buyers through social media, websites, or other channels. Next, I will show you how to set up and create your own seller account on Redbubble, and how to upload your works to the platform to start earning passive income. Well, let's get started then. First, let's open a web browser and use Google to find the home page of Redbubble. At the top right corner of the home page, you will see a sign up button. Click on it to proceed with signing up. Click on Artist Sign Up. Here, you will be asked to provide some basic information, such as your email, store name, and account password. After filling out the information, please click the Sign Up button. Next, let's go back to the home page and click on the account settings at the top right corner. Once you're on this page, you will need to complete the information for both Edit Profile and Edit Payment Details sections. Let me show you what information is required for each. First, let's take a look at the first item in Edit Profile. You need to upload a personalized image here. Next, you will need to upload a cover image. It's recommended to have dimensions of 2400 px wide by 600 px high. Next, you will need to complete the basic information in the profile section. Among these fields, the bio section is quite important in my opinion. Here, you'll introduce yourself and your store to potential customers. In the notifications section, you can choose which notifications you would like to receive by checking the corresponding options based on your preferences. In the copyright section, the default values will be automatically filled based on the information you entered during registration. Here, you can decide whether to modify your copyright name and its corresponding URL. In the off-site marketing section, you can choose whether your products should be promoted outside of your store by checking the respective option. In the image settings section, check the box if your content includes adult material. After you've finished your settings, please click on Save Changes. Next, let's switch to the Edit Payment Details page. On this page, you need to provide your personal name and verify your email address. Next, proceed to fill in your residential address and postal address in order. In the Getting Paid section, you can select your preferred payment currency. Then, you can choose to receive payments through PayPal or directly opt to provide your bank account details for receiving payments. In the phone number section, you need to enter your phone number, and it will be verified through an SMS message. In the user agreement section, confirm if you accept the terms as stated by Redbubble. At the bottom of this page, click on Save Changes to complete the setup of your basic information. After completing the basic setup of your account, the next step is to upload our designs and apply them to various products. First, click on the account icon at the top right corner of the home page, then click on Sell Your Art. Once you're on the dashboard page, here you will see what items you still need to complete before you can open your store. If the previous account setup has been completed, here you will see that most of the items are indicated as completed with a strike through. Going back to the Create Products item, according to the instructions here, you need to upload at least 5 designs to open your store. On this page, let's start by clicking Upload New Work to upload a new design. Here, I'm choosing to upload a Fox logo design as an example for today. On the right side, there are 3 fields that need to be filled. The first one is the title, and this is a required field. The second field is for tags. Each tag should be separated by a comma. The third field is for the description. You can provide a suitable description for your creation here. As you scroll down the page, you will see that your design can be applied to various products. You can directly click on enabled or disabled on the products you want to apply your design to. Taking the t-shirt product as an example, you can click Edit to enter the editing page. Here, you can adjust the size and position of your image on the shirt, as well as the color of the shirt. Switching to another page, you can choose the specific types of t-shirt you want to list for sale and set the corresponding desired profit margin. Once you've completed the settings, simply click Apply Changes. Using the same setup method, let's apply similar settings to the mousepad product as well. After finishing the product setup, let's scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, you will be asked if your product contains adult content. If not, please select No. Additionally, you will be asked if you agree to the user agreement on Redbubble. After clicking Save Work, Redbubble will generate simulated images of the actual products based on your settings. On this page, you can view the simulated images of the products. Click on the bottom right corner of the product, then select Download Images. If you want to preview how the product will appear in your store, similarly click on the bottom right corner of the product and then click View Product Page. Then you'll be able to see how your product looks in your store. That concludes this sharing for today. If you enjoyed today's video, you're welcome to subscribe and share my channel. Thank you, and see you next time.